Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Fibonacci's Trader. It's official, the NASDAQ 100 just got rebalanced. We received the exciting announcement that Palantir Technologies will be included in the index. For everyone who has been eagerly awaiting this, Santa came early. In today's video, we'll break down what this means for investors, discuss which other stocks are joining, and explore what to expect in the market come Monday. We've been growing fast here, and I truly appreciate all the support. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for daily updates, and remember, I'm not a financial advisor, just here to share the data and insights. Let's dive into the news. Alongside Palantir, two other major companies, MicroStrategy and Axon Enterprises, are also joining the NASDAQ 100. The official announcement came few hours ago, but the inclusion won't take effect until December 23rd. As part of this reconstitution, stocks like Supermicrocomputer, Moderna, and Illumina will be removed. Now let's talk about Palantir's price action. The stock popped about 4% today, and in after hours, it's sitting around $76.58. Investors have been betting heavily on this moment, and the momentum could face resistance come Monday, especially if this rally continues. This is a major milestone for Palantir, given its strong year-to-date performance and its growing presence in both government and commercial AI sectors. MicroStrategy also saw a big move in the market. As Bitcoin surged, the company's stock followed, and now it's joining the NASDAQ 100 alongside Palantir. This is huge for the company, as it increases exposure to one of the most heavily traded indexes, especially through ETFs like QQQ. Turning to Supermicrocomputer, their stock faces some turbulence. They're under pressure to file a delayed annual report by February or risk being delisted from the NASDAQ.
The company has faced volatility, including allegations of accounting manipulation, which has led to bearish sentiment. However, despite this, the inclusion of Palantir remains a significant event. What's next for Palantir? If the momentum continues, we could see the stock pushing past the $80 resistance level. There's also the possibility of some market corrections, as investors sometimes sell the news after a big event like this. However, I think Palantir has room to grow. Regarding the broader market, the Dow Jones has been on a losing streak, down for 7 consecutive days, marking its longest streak since 2020. The S&P 500 closed flat, while the NASDAQ gained slightly. We saw a 1.8% drop in the Dow, with big tech names like Nvidia and Meta pulling back slightly. On the other hand, stocks like Broadcom are seeing a surge. We'll talk more about that in just a second. Broadcom is one of the big winners today. The stock surged over 24% after the company forecasted a huge jump in AI chip sales over the next few years. Broadcom now expects AI chip revenue to reach $90 billion by fiscal 2027, up from $12.2 billion in 2024. This represents an enormous growth opportunity for the company. The company also saw strong technical performance, with a double bottom pattern triggering a breakout at around $185. Broadcom's bullish outlook is a huge driver for the AI sector, and this could spark continued growth in the industry. Turning to other stocks, Sophie rose 2.2%, Google saw a minor dip following its quantum computing chip announcement, and Tesla saw a solid 4.3% gain. The market is showing some cooling off, but we're still seeing strong performance from select names. Looking ahead, I believe we'll continue to see buying pressure through the end of the year, especially with the anticipation of a 25 basis point rate cut from the Fed. As for Palantir, I think the stock could push past the $80 resistance level, with FOMO driving further buying interest. Plus, there's a massive amount of cash, around $7 trillion, sitting on the sidelines. If interest rates drop, that money could flow into the market, adding even more fuel to the fire. I hope you all have a great weekend, and congratulations to Palantir shareholders. What do you think of the news? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Take care, and I'll catch you next time.